Good morning, students. Let's continue with our topic that is in quadratic equation. In our previous class, we have learned factorization method. I hope you all remember the factorization method. The few points we have read, those are very important to solve factorization method. Okay, let's do the quick revision of it. What is in factorization method? See, these were the method we have studied. That is in standard quadratic equation, root of quadratic equation, and factorization. These three methods we have already completed it. And I told you from each method, you're going to get 3 to 4 marks. If they are going to ask you in your exam, you're going to get 3 to 4 marks. Okay. These were the point for the quadratic equation that you have to remember. And the 4 points were there for an factorization method. So what do you mean by factorization method? Factorization method is the method in which you'll divide the middle term and you'll get two root of the equation. But so today, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn completing the square root method. Okay, completing the square root method. Just a second. Okay, completing the square root method. What is completing the square root method? See, these were the point you need to remember for this completing the square root method. First, you are going to do what you are going to do. The coefficient of the x square should always be 1. This is your first step. Like in your factorization method, your first step is you have to make that equation in a standard form. So in this, the coefficient of the x means the first term should always be 1. And after that, you're going to shift the constant term to the right hand side. The third step is convert the LHS. Convert the LHS into the square of the binomial. And the last step is remove the share of the binomial and put the square root to the right hand side. Okay. These 4 steps we are going to learn in the completing the square root method. Okay. So let's take one example based on it. Okay. Now today's method is completing the square root method. What I told you, first you are going to the coefficient of x, the variable of x should always be 1. If it is given 2, then you are going to divide it on both the side and you have to make this variable as 1. Okay. And the second step, you are going to shift it to the right hand side. Okay. The third step, you are going to make it perfect square. And the last step, you will find the 2 root. These were the 4 steps we are going to learn in completing square root method. Okay. So this is our example. X square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. What I told you all, in factorization method, you have to make a factor of this. You have to make a factor of this 2 factor. What are the 2 factor? Tell me. The factor of 2 will be 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Yeah, these are the 2 factor. But will it give me 10 after adding this? Is it possible to get 10? By adding it, is it possible to get 10? No, not at all. Not at all you are going to get 10 after adding these 2 factors of 2. So for this kind of sums in this is not an which is not giving you complete square, For this kind of sum, you are going to apply a square method, completing square root method. And student, this method has been divided into two parts, that is method 1 and method 2. But you are going to learn both the method. Okay, both the method. Why? Method 1 is very old. Method 1 is very old, that is an factorization method. And the method 2 will contain half of this method. Method 1 ka half part you are going to learn in method 2. So method 2 pe basically they are going to ask you the question based on activity. Activity kind of sum they will ask on method 2. So first you need to very much thorough about the method 1. Let's see. Okay. Completing the square root method. Suppose this is my x plus 5 the whole square. I hope you all are remembering the formula, algebraic formula, that is an ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You all can remember this formula? As I hope, yes, you're sure about it. So how you're going to write this? You can split it, x plus 5, x plus 5, or you can directly write down as, in this, you can directly write down as x square plus 2ab, 2x into 210, that is 10x plus 5 ka square, 25. Yes, you can write it like this, or you can solve this bracket, that is an, after solving this bracket, what you will get? Same value you are going to get. What? X square plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. Yeah. So what you will get? You will get the same value. X square plus 10x plus 25. Okay. So as you know, in the place of 2, what value must have come? What value should Sobhya Tiwari, you're raising your hand. Do you want to ask something? Chalo. See, this is your example. X square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. But as with my equation, as I have solved, I got my square term, complete square term. What was there? In the place of 2, it must be 25. Okay. In the place of 2, it must be 25. Then only it will be a complete square. Okay. But if in the place of 25, I'll get 90, 20, greater than 25 or less than 25, whatever we'll get, it is never going to make a complete square. It will never going to make a complete square. So you know how to find a perfect square. Okay. Now we are going to take one example based on method 1. Okay. Based on method 1, we are going to take example number 1. This is given in your textbook. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now you will say, ma'am, we can solve it by an factorization method. We'll get 2 factor of 20. That is 5 4s are 20. 5 minus 4, I'll get 1. Yes, I can solve it by an factorization method. But what in case if in place of 20, it will be 25, 19, 24. I won't be able to solve it. So that's why we have to learn a square method, completing square method. First, what we have to do, we have to make this coefficient 1, but it is already 1. So there is no need of making this coefficient 1. Okay. Since the highest power is 2, you will get 2 roots. This you have learned in our first lecture. Okay. So this is your wrong term. In place of this, some value must come to make a complete square. Okay. To find the correct number, what you will do? To find the correct number, what you are going to do? Half into coefficient of x. Half into coefficient of x. So coefficient of x का क्या है? What is coefficient of x? Half into 1. That is in square. What you got? Half the whole square. You got 1 by, what term you got? 1 by 4. So to make a complete square, I need to add this number. I need to add this number to make it a perfect square. How I'll do? X square, okay, plus x square plus x. Now this term, I'll going to add 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Why I did this, class? Why I did this? Why I did this? To make it a complete square. To make this term as a complete square. Plus 4 and minus 4, it is going to cancel out. Okay, it will cancel out and you will get 0. So by adding this, it is not affecting my equation, because simultaneously I am adding and subtracting. The value of this will become 0. But by doing this step, I got my complete square, that is an x square plus half the whole square. How? What I'll get? What I'll get? This much. Okay, this much. That is x plus this term, half the whole square. Okay. By solving this, do I get this term? Do I get this equation? Let's solve here. That is x plus half the whole square. What I told you, you are going to remember the formula. What is a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus, what was the formula? Plus b the whole square is equal to 0. This is your algebraic formula. You're going to apply in this equation. What you will get? That is an x square plus 2 into ab. 2 into x into 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled and you'll get x. Plus b ka square. This is your b. B ka square. 1 ka square 1. 2 ka square 4. 1 by 4. Yes. Yes, I'm getting this equation. I'll make it as a complete square. Now your third step is you're going to take it to the right hand side. What you will do? You're going to take it to the right hand side. When minus 4 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 by 4 minus 20 will become 20. This is my third step. And then again, x plus half the whole square is equal to, nothing is there. It means, student, what is there? In the denominator, it is 1. I hope you all know. सबको पता है. Okay. So 1. 1 ones are 1. 4 into 20. 4 into 20 is 80. 1 plus 80 divide by 4. Okay. Divide by 4. 1 plus 80, that is 81. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Okay. Now your next step, taking square root. Taking square root. Taking square root, what you will get? X plus half is equal to this root. This will come in root. Root of 81 and 4. 81, 9 nines are, and 4, 2 twos are. Plus or minus. I told you square ka term always going to come into plus and minus. That is 9 by 4. Sorry, 9 by 2. Let's continue here. 9 by 2. One root you got in plus and one in minus. Now, the next step, you're going to take it to the right hand side. X is equal to this plus 2. When we'll go to the right hand side, it will become minus. Minus half plus and minus 9 by 2. Okay. So x ka 2 term you will get. What? X is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is your first, or the second will be x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 is your second root. So 9 minus 1, 8, 8 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 divided by 2. The roots you got, x ka root you got here 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, and this you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are. Okay. Or x is equal to minus 5. Finally, what you are going to write? The root of the given quadratic equations are 4 and minus 5. See, everything is same. Everything is same of the, it is the continuation of your factorization method. Only you have added the few steps. This few steps, you have to make it in the complete square method, complete square. Earlier, they were giving you equation which is in complete square. But now this last term, they are playing with this last term. They are making it incomplete. So first step is you are going to make it into complete. Aju bhai, why are you raising your hand? Okay. Okay. What I told you all, the last term they are playing with this last term, they are making it incomplete. So our first step is incomplete square. First step is to make it in complete square. For that complete square, first you need to understand what you are going to add, which will make my equation as in complete square. For that, what we were doing half. This is your very old method, very old method. All teachers know that for finding for doing a complete square method, you need to divide, you need to take half into coefficient of x. Half into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, this coefficient of x, middle term wala x. Then you are going to square. Half into coefficient of x ka 1 rahega, so half ka square is 1 by 4. You got this. By adding this, you will make my equation as a perfect square. So I'll add this in my equation, add as well as subtract. Why I'm doing this? To make it 0. To make it 0, so it is not going to affect the equation given to me. Given to me, it is not going to affect. But by doing this, I got my equation as an, I got my equation. Complete square का एक equation मिल गया. This much have given me a complete square. That is an x plus half is equal to half whole square. Will give me this much equation. So I have completed. Once my one step has been completed, and I got my complete square. The rest is same. You have to take it to the right hand side and do the rest of it. The final step, you're going to write the root of the quadratic equations are, the root of the quadratic equations are 5, 4 and -5. Khatun Farat. Yes, unmute yourself and ask. Which step you're having doubt? Anchal, Satish Vishwakarma. Yes, you can ask your doubt. Unmute yourself and ask your doubt. The step you're difficult of, you can ask. The step you didn't get. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all in the complete square method. This is your first example. Let's take example number 2. In the beginning, 1 or 2 sums will take time. Okay? Once you understand the concept, it will not take that much time. You are going to solve it very easily. Okay? Few sums are going to time because this is a new concept. Okay, let's take example number 2. That is an x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Tell me, is this a complete square? Is this a complete square? No, this is not a complete square. The first step is you have to make it complete square. For that, what we do to make it a complete square? Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. Okay. For that, what are you going to do? Half into, to make it a complete square, what you will do? Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. That is half into x ka coefficient is 2, the whole square. Now 2 will get cancelled. What you got? You got 1. 1 ka square is 1. This much is clear? I hope this much is clear to everyone. Okay. Now, this is our first step. This is our first step. First step was to make a coefficient 1, but as it is already 1, so there is no need of making 1. So the next, to find the term which while adding I'll make it complete square. So I got it 1. I got it 1. So what you'll do? X square plus 2x, one time you are going to add 1, and then minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. As I hope you all know why we are doing this. Plus 1 and minus 1. Plus n and minus 1. After doing this, will it going to affect my equation? No, it is not going to affect, because this both will cancel out.
with both will cancel out and you will get x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is not going to disturb my equation. Okay, but by doing this, I am getting my complete square. I am getting this as a complete square. This much is my this much I'll get a plus b the whole square के form में I'll get. ठीक है? So that is x will be 1 time. What you will get here? 1. X plus 1. This will be 1 time and the whole square. Okay. By solving this, see for few steps I'm going to show this equation for few sums and afterward we'll continue it. We are not going to solve this. I'm going to show you how you form this equation. Chalo. X plus 1 the whole square. What I told you all, a square plus 2ab plus b the whole square. This is your formula. Means x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 the whole square. What you will get? X square plus 2x, 2 into x plus 1 का square 1. Okay. X plus 1 the whole square को solve किया. I got this equation. Yes, I got this equation by solving this. I got my complete square. Okay. Then afterward, what is my next step? I have to take this remaining term. I have to take this remaining constant to the right hand side. When minus 1 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 and minus 5 will become plus 5. Yes? This much is clear? Okay. Now, x plus 5 the whole square is equal to 6. Yeah. Now, taking square root, taking square root, what you will get? X plus 5 is equal to, the root ka value will come in plus and minus root 6. Okay, plus and minus root 6. So you will get two values of x, means two roots of x. That is an obvious, because in standard quadratic equation, the power, the index power will always be 2. That's why we are getting these two roots. Okay, x is equal to what? Two values you are going to get. Oh, I'm sorry. Here 1. Okay. Okay. When it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 1 plus or minus root 6. This plus will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 1 plus or minus root 6. Therefore, x ka two values are minus 1 plus root 6. This is your one root of quadratic equation, and the next will be minus 1 minus root 6. The final step you are going to write the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 plus root 6 and minus 1 minus root 6. Okay. These questions they are going to ask you in your exam for 3 marks. Okay. You are preparing for 3 marks questions. I hope this is clear to you all. What we are doing in this method. For this step, you'll get half marks. For every step, the marks has been divided. Okay. Let's move to example number 3. Example number 3, that is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Okay. As in this case, this coefficient has been already taken in the right hand side. So there is no need of bringing it to the left hand side. Keep it as it is. ऐसे ही रहने दो. ठीक है? So our first step is to make a coefficient of x is 1. As it is already 1, this equation is already, the m coefficient is already 1. There is no need of making it 1. So a third step is to find the value which on adding it will make it complete square. It will make a square. What you will do for that? Half into coefficient of x. Okay, so half into minus 5. What you will get? Minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Minus 5, that is minus 5 into minus 5, it will become 25 by 4. Okay, so after adding this value, I'll make this equation into complete square form. After adding this value, I got my value that 25 by 4. If I add here and subtract it, I'll make it complete square. So let's start. This is m square minus 5m. What I told you all, you are going to add and subtract this value. Plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4. Okay. This much is going to give me complete square. What? M minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now I have to take this to the right hand side. What? Minus 3. When it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 25 by 4. Plus 25 by 4. Okay. Now next step, you're going to multiply it by 3. 4 3s are 12. It will give minus 12 plus 25 divided by 4. M minus 5 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now what value you will get? 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. You will get 13. 13 divided by 4. Now the next step, taking square root. Taking square root. Sonu, do you want to ask anything? Sonu, you are raising your hand. Okay. Taking square root, what I'll get? M minus 5 by 2. M minus 5 by 2, what it will become? Plus or minus root 13 by 2. Okay. M, two value I'll get of M. What are those? When it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 5 plus or minus root 13 by 2. Okay. Gaurav, unmute yourself and ask doubt. Gaurav Gujjar. Yes, Gaurav, you can ask your doubt. Two students are raising their hand. If they want to ask anything, they can ask now. Yes, Gaurav.
टीचर 13 कैसे आया?
What?
13/4.
क्या क्या कितने
M.
कैसे आया? थोड़ा लाउडर बोलो.
13.
13.
हाँ.
Okay. देखो, pay attention. Huh? See, you know ये step कैसे आ गया?
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
Clear, you understood ना? ठीक है. So minus 12 plus 25 divide by 4. अभी minus 12 और plus 25 को when you will solve, what you will get? See, minus 12 plus 25. When you will solve, what you will get? 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. 25 में से 12 को minus करो. What value you will get?
13.
What value you will get? 25
13.
minus 12. 13. Now you got it? How I got my 13?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone else? Two students are raising their hand. Hima. Yeah, Hima. Hima, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, but that is clear.
Clear. Then, okay, that's why you're raising your hand.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. See, this much is clear to you all. Now you will get two roots. Now you will get two roots. Two roots, that is m 5 by 2 plus root 13 by 2 is your. Finally, what you will get? 5 plus root 13 by 2. This is your one root. Second root will be m is equal to 5 by 2 minus root 13 by 2. Finally, you will get 5 minus root 13 by 2. See, if you are sure about it, you can skip this step and you can directly write 5 plus root 13 by 2, 5 minus root 13 by 2. Just for your understanding, I am writing this step. Okay. Lakshmi Mandal. Yes. Lakshmi.
Miss,
Yes.
मिस कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड रिड्यूस हुआ है ना?
कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड रिड्यूस हुआ है?
यस मैम,
नो,
यस मैम, हमारी टीचर ने बोला था और पेपर में भी आया था।
ओके,
मैम
बट आई थॉट
रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ है।
हेलो,
यस मैम,
no, completing square method have not been removed. Only financial planning and the one more chapter, statistics.
नो मैम, प्रैक्टिस से
Yes.
2.3 पूरा रिड्यूस हुआ है।
But no रे बाबा,
2.3 रिड्यूस है, बट लास्ट के 2 सम्स हैं।
हेलो,
नहीं, पूरा प्रैक्टिस सेट रिड्यूस है।
नो पूरा नहीं रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है।
मैम,
Yes,
can you please rotate your screen?
hello,
Please ma'am, can you rotate your screen?
yes, can you see my screen?
Miss, I'm able to see your screen, but it's slanting.
Slanting. Yeah, now is it clear?
No ma'am, same here.
Hello. Yes, students, this practice set have not been removed. Please don't be in dilemma. Okay. Chalo, next move to question number 4.
आता कंप्लीट झालंच पाहिजे.
Okay. Question number 4. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Anchal. Yes, Anchal. Yes, Anchal, do you want to ask anything? Anchal?
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, Miss, मुझे 2/5 तक की
Hello.
इंक्रीज हुआ.
Your
Miss,
voice is breaking. Hello.
मैम 2/5 इंक्रीज हुआ. इंक्रीज हुआ.
क्या 2/5?
5.
This one. इधर 2/5 हुआ. 5/2. ये?
हाँ 2/5 के. हाँ यस.
ये 5/2 कैसे हुआ?
हाँ.
Okay. अरे बाबा, since starting what I was doing to make it a complete square, what step I need to do? Half into coefficient of x.
Cos.
Hello.
Hello miss.
Yes, Anchal.
Yes miss.
To make it a complete square, ये step हम करते हैं half into coefficient of x. This is your very old method. To make it a complete square, पहले क्या करना है? Half into coefficient of x. Half into -5. Coefficient of x क्या है? -5. Half into -5 the whole square.
Yes.
तो क्या हो जाएगा? -5/2 होल स्क्वायर.
4.
अभी इसको -5 का स्क्वायर करोगे, -5 into -5 you will get 25 and 2 into 2 you'll get 4.
Yes.
इतना क्लियर है? कैसे आ गया -5/2?
Yes. Yes miss.
तो -5/2 मतलब आपका ये ऐड कर, ये प्लस और -25/4 करोगे तो ये टर्म कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा. दिस विल cancel. You will get here 0, but by adding this step you make it complete square. That is m minus 5 by 2 the whole square is your complete square. इसके बाद का समझा आपको? Are you able to understand rest of the steps? Yes? Yes, Anchal? Okay. Shall we take example number 4? Okay. Let's take example number 4. But see, thoda sa different hai. That is what I told you first step mein, you are going to make this coefficient 1. But as it is here 9, it is given 9y square. So what you will do? You are going to divide this equation by 9. 9 से क्या करोगे इसको? Divide. Write down. Why I am doing this? Because I need the coefficient. इसका हमेशा 1 रहना चाहिए. That's why I am dividing this equation by 9. Dividing by 9. We get. अभी 9y square को 9 से divide करोगे क्या मिलेगा? 9 will get cancelled and you will get y square. And again 12 divided by 9 y plus 2 divided by 9 and 0 divided by 9 you will get 0. इतना तो clear है? This much is clear? ठीक है. Reduce this. ये 3 के टेबल में जाएगा. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, the finally you got that is y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. This much is clear? Now, only few steps have been added. ठीक है? ठीक है. Then, your second step is coefficient. What is that? Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. That is half into, क्या है coefficient of x? क्या है? Minus 4 by 3. This will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are. What you got? Minus 2 by 3. The whole square. That is your 4 by 9. This much is clear? 4 by 9. Now, what you are going to add here? What you are going to add? Y square minus 4 by 3y and this is plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. What value you will get? Plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. ये step कैसे किया? Anyone is having doubt on this step? Anyone? Okay. See, by adding and subtracting this value will cancel out. But this part is giving me complete square. I'm getting this as a complete square. That is y. What is this? Minus 2 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3. The whole square. Okay? When this minus 4 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 4 by 9. Okay? And this plus will become minus 2 by 9. This much is clear? I hope this much is clear to you all. You're preparing for 3 marks question. Okay? Okay. So now y minus 2 by 3 the whole square is equal to, see, LCM is same, then 4 minus 2 you will get 2 and here is 9. Okay? Now after that, taking square root. Taking square root. What you will get? Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 3. 9 ka square is 3. Yes. Okay. Now you will get 2 roots. 2 roots you will get. Y ka 2 roots are, when this will go to the right hand side, it will become 2 by 3 plus or minus root 2 by 3. What were the two values of y? 2 plus root 2 by 3 is your one value, and the second will be 2 minus root 2 by 3 is your second root. This is the 2 root of the equation. By this, we finished our fourth method, that is completing the square method. This type of question they are going to ask you for 3 marks, as I told you before. So be prepared for it and don't be in dilemma that it has been removed from your syllabus.
Can we stop here, ma'am?
Hello?
Yeah, can we stop here?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you.
students.